Welcome to this Power BI Partner Showcase presented by Netrix. We will be presenting a product management dashboard. This showcase dashboard is built for a professional services firm that manages multiple products and would like to understand the status of their project delivery, current risks and phases of those projects, as well as the support team's performance through the service desk metrics and client satisfaction surveys. We've combined multiple data sources and presented them in a visual manner that allows a product delivery team and management team to see the status of the information. So in the top part of this main dashboard, we have the number of projects by service or by product. We have project risk scores. So you can see we have 23 projects that are at high risk, and then the breakdown of why those projects are at risk. This whole dashboard is interactive, so we can click on any one of these visualizations to see more information about the other pieces of the dashboard. Next, we have the project phases. So we have a count and the percentage of which projects are in each phase. We also have quick link bars to go to other dashboards to see more detailed information. So if we are in the project phases and we are wondering why there are 4 projects on hold, we'd be able to open the project detail to see that type of information for further analysis. We have service desk metrics, where we can see the last 7 days of the all created tickets, the ones that are resolved. And we can also see each tier of the help desk and how they're performing. So we can see that most tickets are being addressed by the tier 1 help desk team, and then some of them are being escalated to the tier 2 team. And the ones that are escalated to the tier 3 team are not being resolved. So maybe we need to go and look at that and see why they're having trouble resolving those open tickets. We can also see information about our clients' satisfaction through surveys. So most of our clients are very satisfied. There's only a few that are unsatisfied, and only one that's very unsatisfied, so maybe we need to go look at that. And we can click on that survey statistic information to see that one client that's very unsatisfied, to see why we can, what we can do to probably fix that. Next, we'll go to the Go Live calendar, which is essentially built for the project management team and the management team to see the last 60 days or the next 60 days of Go Live dates, when they're scheduled for, and who's performing those from a project management perspective. We can also see by product which products have go live dates in the next 60 days, and then a nice tile to show a summary of all of those project go live dates in the next 60 days. We have 89 total projects to go live in the next 60 days. Next, we can see the open project detail. So in this tab, we have a Gantt chart to show all of our client projects that are going on right now, and the status color-coded, so we can see who's been closed, who is on day 0, who's on hold. So we can see more information about this these client phases here. We can also see the project management count by detail. So we can see that Carol has 1 project that's at day 1, but 3 that are in planning here. And she has the most projects total. So we can allocate a couple more to other project managers as they come in. We can also see more detail on the project management health based off of those buckets. So analysis of all projects, and if they're on track from a budget standpoint, a client standpoint, a resource standpoint, and a schedule standpoint. Next, we have the survey statistics. So this is just a collection of all of the surveys, and you can see which clients have filled out the survey and the seat count. So maybe For the higher seat counts, we really want to go back and ask this customer for their feedback so that we can improve our services or know that we're doing a great job. We can see in the pie chart that we have 27% satisfied, and we can click on that to drill down that information and see which of those clients are most satisfied. And then if we want to concentrate on the very unsatisfied, we can see that type of information as well. Last but not least, we have the project drill down. So here we have by company, where we can sort and select each one of the companies to get a better understanding of the exact information for that company's project. So Big Theater Company, which is a made-up company, has a project timeline here, so we can see when the start and end of the project is going to be. Some important dates and status of the project, the current project health, and the overall tickets. So during the project, clients are opening tickets to get resolved for services that have been implemented during the project, which is very important to capture, because if there is a dissatisfaction and it's correlated to high ticket count with not a lot of resolution, then we know that we have to go back and remediate that through lessons learned. Then we have the open ticket detail. So this is, again, service desk metrics. We can see how long a ticket's been open. So maybe we need to go to the service desk manager and ask him about this incident and ask why it's open for 331 days. Maybe there's delay in shipping for a new product or something like that. And now we can see that type of information.